I recently went on a week-long trip to El Salvador with my fiance, and we shared a maleta. So I had to pack all my stuff on only one side, but I managed to do it, so I'm gonna show you exactly what I used. A good maleta. This one's from Amazon. It comes in a set of 3, and it has arrived every trip. And let me show you the inside because I love it. I think it's really cute. I don't know what it is about this color, but I think it's like so nice. Next, packing cubes. Now that I know what it's like to travel with them, I can't live without them. Here's what I use each cube for. Outfits, the keys to roll up your outfits, PJs, underwear, swimsuits. It actually has like a plastic inside in case you need to carry anything wet. Chargers or other small things. Shoes. I think this is for dirty clothes, but I use it for another pair of shoes. Now this bag is my baby. I don't spend the night anywhere without it. It's for like your toiletry. You can fit so much stuff in here. The last thing is this Nike backpack. Whoever designed this, thank you. It has so many pockets and compartments, but what I really wanted to show y'all was this. It has this little pocket in the back. I'm not sure if it was made for this, but I use it to put passports in. It's like hidden but easy access. And then, if you don't want to carry this on your back, that's okay. It's literally my favorite backpack. And look how beautiful it is. You need it.
Going backpacking around Australia next month with my boyfriend, so I thought I'd just show you a few of the bits that I got from Amazon. First up is this microfiber towel, and it looks small but it's actually pretty big, which is good because it's just so compact and you can just hook it on the outside of your backpack, so that can just be for like showering in the hostel. Next is these money bag belt things, and they're so thin, so I think it's like if you get robbed and you can just put them, I think you're supposed to put them like under your clothes so that you can't see them. This is only like £6, but it's from Trespass. I like the colour of that one, and I just got my boyfriend a black one. Got some foldable Tupperware tubs, just like if we make food and then there's leftovers, you can just put it in there. It's actually quite big. Dog hair on it. And they come in a pack of 3. Let's get a pink and a green one as well. Also got reusable cutlery because I don't really want to use the hostel cutlery. And padlocks as well for the lockers. These are TSA accepted. I don't know what that means, but apparently they need to be TSA accepted. This is probably the best buy. It's a mini speaker, and it was between this one and the Bose one. The Bose one was like £120 and this was only 50 quid. But I actually got it on Prime Day, so it was £42. And apparently it's like just as good, if not better, than the Bose one. So yeah, by the way, I've got an Amazon storefront, so I'll link that in the comments so you can shop exactly what I've bought. I've got this Joby tripod. Because my job is content creation and social media marketing, so when I'm out there I'm going to be doing freelance, and I just thought this was good because it's got like grip and it can go around anything. You just fold it like that, and I can use it for TikToks as well because it's just easier to hold my phone. Got some of these clips as well, so you can just like hook a cap, say, onto this and then on the outside of your backpack, or if you're traveling somewhere again and you've got like a wet bikini, you can just hook them on the outside of your backpack. One of these plugs that's for any country, so you can just change it there, and it's got 4 USB ports as well. That was quite expensive. I think it was like £20, but I suppose it's worth it because then you don't have to take loads of plugs. I'm going to run out of time, so follow for part 2.
6 travel items I take with me on every single trip. Starting off with this carry-on luggage. I love it so much, and I've had it for over 7 years. This makeup mirror is really nice. I love how thin it is and how you can change the colors of the lights. Next up is a jewelry organizer. This one's really small but can seriously hold so much. This portable charger is awesome, and I love how the cords come attached already. This portable steamer is super small, but it has a really long cord, which you need in hotel rooms. And my favorite is this backpack tote. It is so nice. You can carry it so many different ways, and yes, it will hold your computer. Amazon September top sellers, starting with this travel pill case, a protective cover that slides over your suitcase to prevent your luggage from getting scratches and stains. Next is a cover for your beauty blenders to keep them clean while in your makeup bag. Travel vacuum seal bags. This was perfect for traveling with bulky items. It saved so much space and will be great for ski and winter trips. Next are my set of 7 packing cubes, including bags for shoes, laundry, and toiletries. Lastly, a foldable steamer that also doubles as an iron and is compact enough to fit in any carry-on.
Travel accessories from Amazon that you absolutely love, and I know because I travel at least once a month and they are my favorite. Okay, these packing cubes will keep everything in your suitcase super organized, and look at the print. They're pink. Cute. How did I live life without this jewelry organizer? Amazon travel buys. If you want to look great and feel great while on vacation, then this mini travel steamer is an absolute must. It'll keep your clothes looking great and is about the size of your hand. All you have to do is detach the water container, fill with water, and then get to steaming. You can either use on hanging clothes or on clothes lying down more like an iron. It's super compact and will fit in any carry-on bag. Link in bio to shop.
This isn't just a duffel bag. It completely folds out to act as a garment bag to prevent wrinkles while traveling. It has interior pockets to organize smaller items, zips together to add clothing to the main compartment, comes with a built-in shoe organizer, gold hardware, and the bag is scratch resistant and waterproof to take with you on any trip.
Okay, just got done running a bunch of errands, getting ready for our trip that we leave in a couple of days, but I just got some travel essentials that I could not wait to share with you guys.
I hate putting my dirty shoes in the luggage with the rest of my clothes. So now I always pack them in these little shoe bags. They are compact and a perfect fit for 2 to 3 pairs of shoes. I usually put sneakers in the bigger compartment below and add sandals or flats in the upper section. I would definitely feel comfortable putting the secure bag with the rest of my luggage. But the best part is it fits securely on top of your carry-on for easy access and storage.
Okay, here are 5 more Amazon travel essentials I can't live without. Number 1, these packing cubes I can overstuff and they compress to be really, really flat. Number 2, this tripod's pretty famous here on TikTok and I love it, but I got the wrong size, so make sure you get the larger size. I'll link it. It's perfect for getting solo shots. It comes with a Bluetooth remote and it's super lightweight, but I also pack a bigger and more sturdy one for my camera. Number 3 is this waterproof crossbody bag that I stuff everything into. It has a ton of compartments and I feel super safe carrying this bag. Number 4 are noise canceling headphones. I cannot get on a flight without them. These aren't expensive and they do the job. And number 5, I feel like I always get dehydrated traveling, so I always bring these electrolyte packets with me.
Amazon bestsellers for the month of November.
Coming in at number 7 is my clear toiletry bag that holds so many items. I absolutely love it. Number 6 is this toothbrush sterilizing pod. Just snap it onto your brush and don't worry about the germs. Number 5 is my favorite mini travel brush. It works so well and it's super cute. Number 4 is a must-have LED makeup travel mirror. You never know what lighting you're going to get on a trip, and this eliminates that issue. Number 3, I haven't even shared on the feed yet, but y'all love it. It's my new favorite travel backpack that's waterproof and has a ton of space. Number 2 is the foldable steamer that went viral that I'm truly obsessed with. It works so well and it's perfect on the go. And coming in at number 1 is a tie between my portable mini Crockpot that would make an incredible gift this season and the viral travel blanket that you absolutely need if you get cold on planes. Don't forget to follow for more Amazon finds.
Amazon Daily Fix Part 8. This is for all my travel friends out there. So these are a pack of 6 airless travel toiletry containers. So they come TSA approved and 2.7 ounces of liquid fits inside of them. So you can put shampoo, conditioner, body wash, all the essentials that you need whenever you're traveling. I just think they're so nice and aesthetically pleasing, so easy to fill, and just look so nice in your bags and on counters whenever you're at a place to stay. Is this something that you can use? Let me know. Comment down below your favorite Amazon products and maybe I'll check them out.
Amazon travel must-have. Transform any mirror into a makeup vanity with these portable and wireless LED lights. These lights attach to any mirror for unlimited uses without even leaving a mark on the mirror. This makeup bag comes with 2 built-in LED lights to easily find your items, and it easily wipes clean. And I always pack my Bravo Sierra deodorant. I used to be an Army officer, and this is the only personal care company built with and for the military. It glides on clear and really works.
3 Amazon travel hacks that you need for your next trip. Starting off with this foldable tray. I absolutely love it. It's so nice to keep all of your small valuables in so you don't lose them. Next up is this travel electric toothbrush. This is so great. I love the full cover on the mouth and it is very small. And next is sunglass organizer. This is also the size of my hand, but it can also double as a jewelry organizer, which is my favorite part. Super easy and thin and will fit in any of your carry-on bags. I went to Europe for 5 days with only a carry-on, and here's how. My biggest hack are these vacuum sealed packing cubes. They are so convenient and save so much space. You put all of your clothes in them like a regular packing cube and then use the little vacuum that they give you to suck out all that extra air. They are seriously such a game changer and will save you so much space.